In this video, we will cover how to use your Clearmike, which is part of the Cascadia C25 instructional audio system. This is your Clearmike, and it's really easy to use. You have one button to turn it on and off, and that same button is also your mute. Clearmike hangs comfortably around your neck with its magnetic lanyard. You'll want to adjust it to the proper length using the adjusters on the side so that the top of the microphone sits just below your collarbone. That puts it in proper location so that whether you're in the corner of the room or turning facing the whiteboard, your voice is clearly heard throughout the room. Here's the good part. When the Clearmike is on, you no longer need to project and use your teacher voice. Just speak in soft conversational tones. Once you are used to wearing the Clearmike, you'll begin to experience a calmer classroom and students become more engaged and focused. You'll also notice that at the end of the day, you'll have more energy and less vocal strain. The first time you use your Clearmike, it should be on the charger ready for use. The power status light is on the front of the microphone. It will turn green after a full night's charge, indicating the battery is ready. A red light indicates it's still charging. Remove the microphone from the charger. You'll see that the talk mute light turns white. This indicates the microphone is on but muted. The Clearmike automatically mutes when you remove it, so it stays quiet while you put it on. When you have the Clearmike around your neck and positioned properly, go ahead and tap the power mute button. You'll notice the talk mute light will turn blue, indicating the audio is live. At this point, you should hear your voice coming through the classroom speaker. If you need to turn the volume up or down, you can press the volume rocker on the side of the Clearmike. As you adjust the volume, the change is also reflected on the microphone display. Once the volume is set, you generally don't need to adjust it throughout the day. At this point, just begin teaching as normal. If you want to have a private conversation, step out into the hallway or stop using the Clearmike for any reason, just tap the power mute button. The light will turn white and your microphone is muted. There is generally no need to fully power the microphone off. The battery will hold its charge all day, up to 8 hours. But if you wish to do so, press and hold the power mute button for about 2 seconds and you'll see the lights go off. After you release the button, the display will also turn off. To turn it back on, hold the power mute button for a couple of seconds. Release the button when the display turns on. The microphone will be ready to use when the talk mute light turns on. At the end of the day, you'll need to return your microphone to the cradle charger for nightly charging. As I mentioned, a battery will last a full day, up to 8 hours, but will need to be charged each night. A full charge cycle takes 5 to 6 hours. Place your microphone in the charger. You'll see that the power status light will glow red, indicating charging has started. In the morning when you return, your microphone will be fully charged and the power status light will glow green. Also, if during operation the status light turns red, that means your battery charge is running low. Generally, there will still be 30 to 40 minutes of operation before your battery is fully depleted. On the side of the Clearmike, there's a red alert button. If the Cascadia system has been integrated with the life safety system at your school, you can use this button to activate an emergency alert. Press and hold the button for 2 seconds to activate the alert. After the alert has been activated, the display of the Clearmike will give a notification that the alert has been sent. There are 2 programmable buttons. Depending on the needs of your school, these buttons can be set up for actions like initiating a call, sending a help request, or in the case of a lockdown, sending in a check-in notification. Only 2 of these functions can be programmed at any time. The assigned functions are shown on the display next to the buttons. Press and hold the button for 2 seconds to activate the function. The display will change to notify you that the function has been activated. If the Cascadia system has been set up for calling, an earbud needs to be plugged into the Clearmike to make a call. The Cascadia system includes a lanyard with an attached earbud. Plug the earbud into the Clearmike and place the earbud into your ear. Press and hold the call button for 2 seconds to place the call. The Cascadia system is pre-programmed to call only one number, like the front office or security office. Your system is shipped with the Clearmike pre-paired to the C25, but if for any reason you need to pair it with a different system, follow this pairing process. From a powered off state, point the IR transmitter lens on top of the Clearmike toward the C25. Press and hold the power mute button for 5 seconds until the talk mute light starts flashing white and blue. Then release the button and let the pairing process finish. The microphone talk mute LED will turn white, indicating pairing is complete and the microphone is ready for operation. With that, you now know everything you need to know to effectively use this powerful tool. If you have any questions, please visit our website or call our toll-free number, and we have a live customer service team available to help. We thank you for taking the time to watch this video and for using your Lightspeed system.